Staging 101 by Intellistage is a durable, high-quality, sturdy, all-in-one height-adjustable portable modular staging system. Staging 101 is available in your choice of 4x8 or 2x1 meter modular panels. Panels are constructed of heavy-gauge steel and feature laminated plywood core decks. You can choose from 2 surface finishes, a dark gray carpet finish or a sturdy black industrial finish. Staging 101 panels are strong enough to handle all your needs and can bear weights up to 240 pounds per square foot or 1,170 kilograms per square meter. Panels are also available in your choice of 2 height adjustable options. You can choose from a stage that adjusts from 16 inches to 24 inches or 24 inches to 32 inches high, allowing you design flexibility for different venues and applications. We pride ourselves in quality construction, and we feel details make the difference. Compare for yourself. Our frames are sturdier and more comfortable to pick up and install than comparable staging because our panels provide 1.5 inches of hand support, while most comparable stages only offer 0.5 inches. Our panel surface has a seamless, smooth, no-trip design with the safety of dancers and performers in mind. Comparable staging has a metal perimeter that can lead to tripping during performances. Our panels feature a strong continuous tubular frame construction that produces a seamless support structure, while comparable stage panels use a weaker C-channel stamped frame that includes multiple breaks and seams that can weaken the support structure. Our panel-to-panel connection hardware is removable, so you can create a uniform exterior perimeter if you wish. Comparable panels have connection hardware that is fixed and cannot be removed, and this can cause damage or injury during transportation or use. We're sure that you'll agree that our stage panels are the best on the market today. Putting together your Staging 101 system was designed to be simple enough for anyone to do. It literally takes minutes to create a sturdy, professional, full-functioning stage. First, begin by setting panels up on their edges. Open the stage legs and then lock them into place. Adjust the legs to the height that you would like and secure them with our securing pins. Tighten the leg knobs to lock the leg heights in place. Next, attach the panel joining mechanisms to the locations where you'll be connecting your panels to other panels using the Allen key. Repeat the above steps for the panels that you would like to use. Now you're ready to build your stage. Place the staging panels upright and begin connecting individual panels to create the stage layout that you'd like. Make sure that all stage legs are flat and stable on the ground by adjusting the screw-in rubber feet. To connect panels to panels, simply lift the staging panel and place it into the 2 panel joining mechanisms found on the adjacent panel. This will require 2 people. We also offer a full range of accessories to complete your Staging 101 system. Adding stage steps to your Staging 101 system is a snap. We recommend using stage steps for all stages 16 inches and higher. Simply attach the top plate to the stage wedge where you will connect your stair package. The top plate attaches to the panel with 2 bolts. Next, adjust your steps to the correct height by loosening all stair bolts. Adjust the steps to the height that you need. Now, attach the steps to the stage by fastening them to the top plate. Next, secure and lock the steps into the correct height by bolting the locking brace in place into the correct position. Adding handrails to your stair package is quick and easy. Simply attach and secure handrails to your stair package with the provided hardware and a large Allen key, and you're all set. Guardrails provide extra security for performers and can easily be attached to your Staging 101 stage panels. Simply align the guardrails to the pre-drilled holes found on your stage panel and secure them into place with the provided bolts and Allen key. Continue to mount the guardrails in the same fashion. Lastly, couple all the guardrails together by using your guardrail-to-guardrail connection hardware and a small Allen key. Stage skirts add a finishing touch to your stage. Staging 101 stage skirts are available in a black fire-resistant finish and come in several heights. You can simply attach stage skirts to your stage by clipping on our special skirt clips to the edge of your stage and then fastening the skirting onto them. And there you have it, a durable, high-quality, sturdy, all-in-one portable modular staging system that sets up in minutes. It's as simple as that. Staging 101 can also easily be set up to make seated or staging risers. It's just as easy to connect staging panels of different heights together. First, begin by setting your highest tier as previously shown in this video. Connect two different height panels together by positioning the lower panel's platform edge into the taller panel's connecting leg bracket, located on the legs. This will require two people to lift and set the panels into place. And that's all there is to it. Chair stops provide added safety for performers by preventing the chair legs from slipping off the edge of the stage platform. Ascending chair stops are used on top of stage platforms and in between platforms. To install chair stops completely, set up your stage first. Next, orient your chair stops to the right side up and align them with your panels. Use our Allen key to secure the chair stop to the platform with the provided bolts. And it's as simple as that. Transportation trolleys are also available so you can easily store and transport your Staging 101 system. Our transportation trolley is built from a strong aluminum construction and is capable of holding up to 6 Staging 101 platforms. Simply place the platforms onto the trolley and secure them to the trolley with our special top clamp. Now you're ready to go. To find out more about Staging 101, please visit